Hello. In this C++ programming video, I will be covering the break and continue statements. These let you control how your loops run, either by stopping them entirely or by skipping to the next iteration. So the first is break. The purpose of break is to end the loop immediately and jump to the code after it. And we can see this in our first example here. So here we are initially wanting to count from 1 to 10. But we are breaking when I is equal to 5. So let us compile and run this. And let's run our example. So as we can see, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, but once we get to 5, we break. Next, our next example is continue. The purpose of continue is to skip the rest of the loop body for the current iteration and go to the next one. So here, the point of this program is to skip printing 3. So let's see what it looks like in the console. Let's run our example here. As we can see, we're counting from 1 to 5, but this time we are skipping 3. Finally, we can use a combination of continue and break as well. So this example, we're starting to count at 0, we're skipping 4, but we're stopping at 8. So let's see an example of that. So we can see 1, 2, 3, we're skipping 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're completely stopping at 8. So some best practices here. Use break when you no longer need to run the loop, and use continue to skip unwanted edge cases without ending the loop. Always avoid overusing these. It can make loops harder to follow. It's not the best programming practice. As a practice challenge, write a program that prints numbers from 1 to 20, but skips all multiples of 3, i.e. use the continue keyword, and stop completely at 15, i.e. using the break keyword. So in this episode, you learned what break does in loops, what continue does in loops, and how to use them in for and while loops. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment. In the next episode, we will begin working with arrays in C++. Please reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.